Mastering might not and mightn't, the negative forms of might in English. Hello, language learners. Today, we're going to dive into the world of modal verbs, specifically focusing on the negative forms of the modal verb might, might not, and mightn't. It's an interesting topic that will certainly enrich your English skills. So, let's get started. Before we get into the negative forms of might, it's important to understand its positive form. Might is a modal verb that we use to talk about possibilities. It's less sure than will or can. For example, I might go to the party tonight means that there is a possibility I will go to the party, but it's not certain. Now that we understand might, let's discuss its negative forms. Might not and mightn't are used to express a possibility that something is not likely or not happening. It's just like might, but with an added layer of uncertainty or negativity. For instance, it might not rain today means there is a possibility it won't rain. And guess what? Mightn't is simply a contraction of might not. For example, I mightn't attend the meeting is the same as I might not attend the meeting. It's just a bit more informal. Let's see some more examples to make it crystal clear. 1. She might not come to the concert. This means there's a possibility she won't come. 2. They mightn't agree with our proposal. Here, we're suggesting it's possible they won't agree. It's important to note that, in American English, mightn't is used less frequently. So, you'll typically hear and see might not instead. But in British English, both forms are common. Forming questions with might is simple. Just invert the subject and might. For example, might it rain today? Or, might she come to the concert? However, for the negative form, it's common to use do you think before the statement, like, do you think she might not come to the concert? It sounds more natural than directly asking, might she not come to the concert? And that's a wrap on might not and mightn't. Understanding and using these forms correctly will bring more flexibility and subtlety to your English. As always, practice makes perfect, so try using these forms in your daily English conversations. We hope this video has been helpful, and we're excited to see you next time as we continue our journey into the fascinating world of English grammar.